Hello everyone, my name is Hanny Hansard and I serve as an admissions counselor in the Office of Undergraduate Admissions at Texas Tech University. I would like to take a moment to share with you what it means to complete your self-reported academic record, also known as the SRAR. The SRAR allows you to self-report classes and grades that you have taken, or any classes that are in progress for high school credit. The SRAR will replace your high school transcript that is traditionally used for admissions consideration into Texas Tech University. We will no longer require high school transcripts when you apply to Texas Tech. We will need a final official high school transcript sent directly from your high school upon graduation to verify the information you have entered through your SRAR. Please note, if you are an applicant not completing high school in the U.S., have already graduated high school, or received a GED, you will need to submit other documentation in place of the SRAR. Accuracy is critical, and you will need to ask your high school counselor or registrar for a copy of your high school transcript to use as a reference when completing the SRAR. The SRAR is a separate component from the admissions application that you completed on Apply Texas, Common App, or Coalition. You will need to complete your SRAR through your Rater Connect account. If you have previously created a Rater Connect account, you will use this platform to complete your SRAR. If not, go ahead and create an account at raterconnect.ttu.edu. Please note, you will need to use the same name and email address for your Rater Connect and SRAR accounts that you use to create your admissions application. Once your account is created, you will select the Resources and Forms tab. Here, you will find the link to the Self-Reported Academic Record website to create your SRAR account. If you have never created a SRAR account, select Create SRAR Account. If you have previously created a SRAR, select Continue. When you are creating an account, fill in the requested information as it appears on your application. Verify that Texas Tech University is the school listed on the Welcome page, and you can now click Begin. Now, on the Enter High Schools page, you will list your projected high school graduation date. Next, you will add any high schools you have attended by clicking Add School. You will be prompted to search by school name. Select your school from the drop-down list, and please verify that the country and state are correct. If your school is not listed or you are home educated, click the prompts on the page to enter your school information. Once you have selected your school, you'll need to enter the dates of attendance. If this is the school you plan to graduate from, please make the end date the date you plan on graduating. Also enter the grade scale and the structure of your courses at your school. If you need assistance entering this information, try clicking on the question mark icons, or feel free to reach out to us at admissions@ttu.edu. If you attended multiple high schools between your freshman and senior year, you'll want to click on the Add Another School button to add all of the schools that you've attended before moving forward. Once all of your schools are entered, you can click on the Enter Coursework button to start entering your course and grade information. When completing this section, it is very important to enter your grades and courses exactly as they appear on your transcript. Do not round numbers or add pluses or minuses to letter grades that don't have them on your transcript. You can enter your classes in two ways, by either year or subject area. You will also be prompted to type in your high school counselor's full name and contact information. The next thing you want to do is click on the green pencil icon under GPA and class rank. This is where you will enter your cumulative weighted GPA, unweighted GPA, and rank information. If your school does not calculate GPA or rank, select the appropriate options listed on the page. Once this section is complete, click on the Continue button at the bottom of the page to move on through the Enter Coursework section. If you selected to enter your coursework by year, you'll be able to go through each grade level to enter your course and grade information. If you took any courses prior to 9th grade that appear on your high school transcript, please indicate those courses in the middle school section. In the course name section, you'll want to enter the course title exactly as it appears on your transcript. Course level is where you can indicate the level at which you took the course, including if the course is an AP, IB, dual credit, or honors course. If your transcript doesn't identify the course level of a course, you'll want to select Standard for the course level. Most transcripts have a course legend at the bottom of the transcript with corresponding letters to identify your course level or rigor. For example, honors as an H, dual credit as a D, gifted as a G. In the course length section, you'll want to enter how long you took the course and how your school issues final grades for the course. If you've taken a course for an entire academic year and have one final grade on your transcript, select Full Year. This will allow you to enter one final grade for the course. If you've taken the course for one semester or are given final semester grades for a year-long course, select Semester. This will allow you to enter a final grade for one or both semesters. The same is true for trimester and quarterly grades. If you've taken the course as part of block scheduling, select Block Scheduled Term. This will give you the opportunity to enter your final grade for one or both block terms. Next, you'll indicate the grade that you received and the number of credits you earned for that specific course. You'll finish entering the course by clicking on the Save Course button at the bottom of the page. You'll continue this process until you've entered every course that you've taken for this academic year. If no middle school courses appear on your high school transcript, you can leave that entire middle school section blank and start with your first year of high school. Once you're done with this academic year, click on the Back to Summary button at the bottom of the page. Notice how the information you just entered populates into the summary section. You can use this as a guide to keep track of what you've entered into your SHRAR. You'll now want to continue completing your SHRAR by entering your coursework and grades for the rest of your academic career. When completing these steps, there are several things you'll want to keep in mind. First, make sure that you enter every class you've taken and grade that you've received as it appears on your transcript, including all repeated or failed courses. If you have trouble finding a course, try searching for it under Other Subject Area in the Subject Area tab. Additionally, you can select Other under the generic course title to enter a unique course that doesn't fit anywhere else. If you're a high school senior, choose In Progress as your grade for all of your 12th grade courses on your schedule that you have not received a grade for at this time. Once all of your course and grade information is listed for each academic year, you can click on the Review Submit button at the bottom of the page to review what you've entered and verify its completeness and accuracy. If everything looks correct, you can click the Submit button at the bottom of the page to submit your self-reported academic record to Texas Tech University. Also, if you have taken any dual credit classes, we will still require an official college transcript sent directly from the institution to consider this credit for your records. If you need to make any updates to your SHRAR, you will be able to log back into your SHRAR account to update course changes, new grades, and additional test scores. When you resubmit updates, we will receive a new SHRAR report that will be reviewed and added to your application file. We recommend doing this only occasionally, for example, when you have your final quarter, semester, or trimester grades. If you notice you've made a mistake when entering your information on the SHRAR after submission, email admissions@ttu.edu with your full name, date of birth, and the correction needed. If you're admitted and decide to enroll at Texas Tech University, you'll be required to submit an official final high school transcript showing your graduation date, which we will use to validate your SHRAR for accuracy and verify your high school graduation. We will reach out to you when it's time to submit your transcript, so please keep an eye out on your email. And that's an overview of how you complete and submit your self-reported academic record for your Texas Tech application. Completing your SHRAR typically takes about an hour, so be sure to give yourself enough time. If you have any questions about the SHRAR website or run into any issues using the website, please contact SHRAR Technical Support. For assistance with the application process, contact the Office of Undergraduate Admissions at admissions@ttu.edu. Recom.